Hi guys, today I have a Ford Force 2014 all key lost. I'm going to program the all key lost. Okay, this is the remote. I'm going to make it all key lost. As you see, this car is not going to on. So there is a key slot, as you can see here. I remove the cover, this cover, to program the chip key. So let's start. First we are going to, I'm going doing by X tool, Key Tool Max. Okay, and this is the USA car. Just going to the Ford US area. Ford Force. Okay, let's go. 2011-14. Let's start. Okay, all chip key lost. So put the one key is inside. You have to put it the one key inside. Okay, and I'll see there is no key. Make the switch ignition is on. And it's take like 1 to 3 minutes to calculate the password. And I connect the key tool, mini key tool mix here. Okay, switch ignition off, then wait for the 10 seconds. Switch ignition off. There is a 2 keys need to be programmed it. If one key is, car is not going to start. So okay, switch ignition on. I'm going to switch ignition on. This one key is completed. Okay, so if you want more keys, you can put it in the slot. Take out this and put it in the slot, new one. Match is complete, so 2 keys already completed, no need more. I'm sorry, there is no one key, only the exit. I need one more key, and I think you do something mistake. Let's see again. I'm going to need to program this again. Switch ignition on is on already. Yes. So this key is already programmed. I have to take it out, put this on. Same again, bro, sorry. I should put this one, then I'm going to make it. Yes, now it's 2 keys successfully programmed, and program is complete. Let's see if car is going to start. Yeah, as you see, the both keys going to start. This key one, and there is another key. Let's see it is success. Thank you guys.